Hey everyone, this is Chris Hansen with E1 Solutions. I'm one of our senior technical consultants, and today we're going to be taking a look at Node Builder and the lookup templates that we have built into the product for you. So what I have on screen is a node that I've already created partways that's going to be doing our vendor EFT information. So the standard nodes don't include that information as part of what you can map to, so that's why I went ahead and started to build this one. Now I've got the sub information complete. I've chosen the table that we need on here, that's Y06000. I've marked the fields I want as input. Now the final part I've been working on is under the logic and adding the different calculations to check the data or to do any other operations I need. One thing I haven't done is I want to check to make sure that vendor ID actually exists inside of GP in the vendor master table. Now I could create another calculation section from scratch on here. Otherwise, if I highlight the calculation structure header and choose this lookup template option from the add button on there, this is going to give me a list of pre-built templates that we have inside of Node Builder. So by choosing the drop down on here and grabbing the check vendor record, it shows me that I need to match up a vendor number with the correct field that I want from my node, and it's automatically going to add in some pre-built sections for me. So I'm going to go ahead and use vendor ID on that, make sure those fields match up, and when I hit add on here, it's going to go ahead and do three separate things. One thing it's going to do is it's going to build our own calculation structure on the left here. So it adds a new section called validate vendor. It adds our if statement in here, and then inside of that calculation it's also built a couple things for us already. It's built a lookup called lk_vendor, and it's also built an error code that is assigned in here as well. So we'll put together our whole calculation by checking to see if the lookup vendor operation returned data. If it didn't, it throws this error code that the vendor record does not exist. Now everything we have in here we could have done by hand, but by using the lookup template it allows it to automatically do all these steps for us. Now we can go back in and edit any of these parts if we want to. So if I went into the logic section and took a look at my lookups, I could edit this lk vendor lookup if needed, or I could hop over the error codes section and update the last entry in here that says the vendor record does not exist. So everything it adds in to Node Builder can be modified. Otherwise we can leave it as is and use it just as the template has added it for us. If you guys have any questions, make sure you swing by our forums or contact us directly at either our email or phone number. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys have a great day.